Hi guys. Yesterday I got a call from a student. He said, "Sir, I am burning out. पढ़ने को मन नहीं करता, कुछ करने को मन नहीं करता." So that's the main agenda for the day. That if you're feeling burnout, how to save yourself? Because if you burn out, your performance, whatever you have maintained so far, will start going down. Yeah, because you keep studying, you have to keep yourself motivating till the end. Alright, so today we'll try to find out how we can save ourselves from this thing, burning out. So study more. नहीं सर पढ़ने को मन नहीं करता. I can't open the books. I can't do this, can't do that. That's a typical sign of burning out. Yeah. So how to avoid the burning out? We'll talk about all those things. Number one point: how to avoid yourself. Because if you don't stop now, burning out, you will see your performance going up, going down. So whatever you learned so far, you'll start forgetting everything. It happens. Your confidence level goes down. Okay. So to avoid that thing, number one is take a break. Don't study. Take a break 1 day, 2 day. Second day, you'll automatically feel that कि नहीं यार, you're missing something. Yeah, you're missing your studies. You'll make a comeback. Watch some web series or do something. See, there are a lot of negativity going around us because of the coronavirus situation. Maybe your family income have also gone down. So there are a lot of negativity. To avoid that, let's take a break. Let's take a one step. एक दिन ब्रेक ले यार, सेकंड डे तो अपने आप बैठ के पढ़ेगा. ठीक है. Point number one is take a break. Point number two, these are the few images I could find that are on burning out. So I'm just taking up all those images. This one's more scary than. So point number two, which I want to add, is when you don't want to study. You know what I do when I don't want to teach or do something? I make videos. So number two is give a mock. Yeah, if you can't open your books now because you already have studied this and that, give mocks. So every day one mock, and whatever weak area I will find that I'll study that weak area. ठीक है, उल्टा कर दो. Normally what we used to do, we used to study the book, then give a mock. Here we'll give a mock, find out a weak area, then improve. भाई तू फटेगी तब तू पढ़ेगा. Okay. For example, yesterday I got a call from a student who was last year 99 percentile, couldn't get the main IIM call and don't want to go to the new IIMs. So I was talking to him and he said, "Sir, I want to work with CTE now because I can't study. I am burning out." तो which is normal यार, भाई इसका सब हो चुका है यार, तो burn out वाला फेज आएगा ही. So rather than feeling downward, demotivating, change. Change is mock. मैं उसको ही बोला कि yes, you can work with us, you can do the doubt solving and all these things, but main focus should be on mocks. So everyday mock and improve the weak area. Do the analysis and improve the weak area. Point number two. Point number three. Guys, we are looking at a holiday. After CAT exam, we'll take a break. Okay, imagine that way. So this is the third image which I could find on internet. So after CAT, we'll take a break. 1 week, 2 week, we'll go to some nice place. Today, you know what I was doing? I was googling Japan, places to see, way to eat, nice pubs, shopping. I was going through that. जाने कौन वाला यार, जब तक ये कोरोना वायरस ख़त्म नहीं होगा, no one can go anywhere. But imagine करने में क्या जाता है. Imagine what you're going to do after the CAT exam. 30 more days for the CAT exam. Snap and Medify, join everything. 3 more months. After that, life will take a break. After that, we'll take a holiday. So where you're going to party, please post that what you're going to do. So these are the small things which, trust me, works. Yeah. Keep giving mocks. Those who are done with studies, everything, just कुछ मत करो भाई, सिर्फ mocks दो. Focus on your mocks, nothing else. Okay. Or what if you want, change the books. या नया बुक्स आएगा, नया प्यार होगा. You already might be having some other coaching institute का books, some other books you have to study from. वो करना start कर दो. No problem at all. You can do that. Okay. Take a 1 or 2 day break. Watch nice web series. अभी Scam 92 have come up. Mirzapur have come up. So you can watch those. You will take a break of 1-2 days. Automatically you will feel द गिल्टी फीलिंग आएगा, गिल्टी फीलिंग आएगा, यू विल ऑटोमेटिकली स्टडी. या सो बर्निंग आउट इज नॉर्मल, नो प्रॉब्लम एट ऑल. दिस फेज हैपन्स टू एवरी वन. स्पेशली यार वी आर नॉट बीइंग स्टडी. यार 3 दिन बारिश आई थी, हमें सैड हो जाता यार, और छोड़ो. या if it rain, I love rains, but if it rain 3 days back to back, we'll feel sad. Here you are studying from months. Yeah, it's normal to feel sad. It's very normal to feel burnout, but burnout होना नहीं है. Yeah, all the best.